More news coming in. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju's direct attack on the Congress party. Rijiju tells the Congress never questioned faith. Going for Hajj, not going for poverty removal. Praying in church, not for poverty removal. Any prayer is not for poverty removal. After Kharge's attack on Amit Shah over the holy dip, the holy snan that the Home Minister took part in yesterday, as a retort here from the Union Minister saying no holds barred attack on the Congress. He's gone after the Congress for those comments from none other than the Congress chief. Piyush is with us for the very latest. These comments from Mallikarjun Kharge clearly has backfired with the BJP saying that the Congress is against Hindutva. It's evident. So, Kiren Rijiju taking this fight even further today with these statements. Piyush.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. At a time when the campaigning for Delhi Assembly polls are on its peak, we are now seeing as to how Congress party seems to be giving a lot of ammunition to BJP, and that is why various BJP leaders, including union ministers, are coming out and slamming Mallikarjun Kharge's remarks. Yesterday, BJP had said that Congress party cannot talk anything about the other religion; they can only attack Hindu religion. And today, we are now seeing how Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has come out and said that taking a dip in Kumbh is a matter of faith. It's not at all connected with one's economic situation. So we are now seeing how massive war words have also escalated as far as the Mallikarjun Kharge's comments are concerned. As of now, the Congress party has not clarified the comments which have been given by Mallikarjun Kharge. Remember that yesterday BJP had sought answers from Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and other leaders of the Congress party on the comments those were made by Mallikarjun Kharge. Sneha.
Piyush getting in those details. For the moment, I'm going to leave it at that. Earlier, Mallikarjun Kharge had targeted Amit Shah over the holy dip. Listen into what he had said.
ये मोदी के जो झूठे वायदे जो बोलते हैं उसमें मत जाओ। अरे भाई, गंगा में डुबकी लेने से गरीबी दूर होती क्या? आपको खाना मिलता पेट को? मैं किसी की आस्था के ऊपर ठोस नहीं लगाना चाहता हूं। अगर किसी को दुख हुआ तो मैं माफी चाहता हूं, लेकिन आप बताइए, अरे जब बच्चा भूखा मर रहा है, बच्चा स्कूल में नहीं जा रहा है, मजदूरों को मजदूरी नहीं मिल रही है, जब ये है तो ये लोग जाकर हजारों रुपए खर्च करके कंपटीशन पे डुबकियां मार रहे हैं। कंपटीशन में एक डुबकी मारता दूसरा, और जब तक वो टीवी में अच्छा नहीं आता तब तक डुबकी मारते रहते हैं।